स्टार्ट है वो भी सभी मैं जाता हूँ अपनी पूजा टाइम की पाबंदी से यहाँ पे अच्छा इतना प्लेटफॉर्म मिला है सभी को.
Water has its own memory. You know water saves its memory. You can keep it over.
क्योंकि सारे तत्व कैसे एक पृथ्वी तत्व, जल तत्व, अग्नि तत्व, वायु तत्व और आकाश, ये सारे तत्व जो है वही बॉडी पे ही रहते हैं, सब वही कंट्रोल करते हैं. एनर्जी किससे मिलते हैं? हम खाने के बाद ही एनर्जी मिलती है. तो इसलिए अग्नि तत्व क्या करता है? हम पर पचाने के लिए और भूख लगने के लिए ये अग्नि तत्व ही यूज होता है बॉडी में. तो इसलिए मेन इम्पोर्टेंट क्या है? हम जैसे खाना खाते हैं वैसे ही इम्पैक्ट होता है. क्यों खाना खाते हैं? एनर्जी मिलने के लिए. तो एनर्जी मिलने के लिए खाना मतलब जनरेट हो जाता है, तभी हमको भूख लगती है. तब जनरेट होने के बाद
speakers did mention about, you know, like having this mystic forum that has given all of us a chance to talk about our specialization, whatever we do in the energy field. Okay, so there are doctors, different kinds of doctors, different you know, health elements what they take care of, but also in the energy world there are different healers. Okay, so in this, so we are all coming here together. So I would like to appreciate Jyotsna and also Rashmi for coming forward to take this, and a big round of applause for them, and thank you for giving us all of this opportunity. Yeah, so for both of you. So before I move on, I would like to ask all of you, do we all think? Yes? Yeah. So when you think, what do you generate? A thought. Okay? So the thought that we create is in our hands. Okay? And the thought that we have created to destroy it is in whose hands? Who can do it? We can do it. So we are the creator of thoughts, we are the destroyer of thoughts. Right? So when in the process of all of those things, when we talk about these thoughts, we call it as a thought form. You heard about this, right? Thought form. So thought as a form, as a color and a shape. Okay, it doesn't understand because thought is just created, right? It's there in the mind. Okay, where is this mind? Again, it's a big story. So the thought is being created. Now, when we talk about this thought, it is also connected to energy. Now we are all talking about energy, the healing, of course, with Vastu, with past life regression, with crystal. All of it is connected. You know, when the healing has to happen for a person, when a person is going through something, there has to be some solutions, and everything on this planet Earth is connected to energy.
Very first thing, I would like to thank Jyotsna ma'am and Rashmi ma'am to bring all the healers, and we can say the people who guide us on one platform here. Yes, as she said, basically I am a teacher. My name is Vishali. I am working in teaching profession since 26 years. Since 26 years I am dealing with children. And I don't know why, how I came across this different healing professions. Along with crystal healer, actually I am also Reiki healer, Reiki master, tarot reader and crystal healer. But today here I am going to talk only about crystal healing. So, crystal healing. Nowadays, there is a lot of awareness about crystals. Many people have attraction for these crystals. Why? Because what I think that among all the healing modalities, crystal healing is very beautiful healing modalities because crystals are available in different forms, different colors, and they are very beautiful. They easily attract us, and even we easily get attached to these crystals.
Life the way you desire it to be. So, to say a few more lines, knowing your feminine energy, knowing the Shakti within you, that will make all women more powerful. And my motto is not just to bring peace, peace, it is to make women powerful. There are a lot of modalities which can bring you peace. But if you want to feel powerful, come and meet me. Thank you.
Do some gestures.